Hey, what's up, you guys? Interceptor King here. This is our 2013 Dodge Charger Pursuit package. It's got a 5.7 liter Hemi, runs and drives perfect with absolutely no mechanical issues whatsoever. As long as you keep that transmitter in your pocket, you never have to get your key out. You just touch the underside of the door handle outside and the door will unlock, and you touch the top side of the door handle and it will lock. And then when you get in here, you just press that little button. As long as you have that transmitter with you, car will start right up. You got Bluetooth, touch screen, listen to Pandora on your phone, get phone calls. You can adjust the volume. You can answer the phone by pushing this button on your steering wheel. There's you can adjust the volume, change the stations with the buttons on the steering wheel. Set the cruise control real quick. Cruise control set. Okay, now it's set. So the Pursuit package was only offered to law enforcement. You could not buy one of these from the factory unless you were law enforcement. Pursuit package has heavier duty wheels, tires, suspension, brakes, cooling and charging systems, and a 370 horsepower 5.7 liter Hemi V8 that gets 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This has a it looks like a brand new leather back seat. So spotlight works. I've been specializing in fleet vehicles for 19 years now. One owner fleet vehicles. I get these vehicles straight from the departments that they served. I buy in bulk, so when I buy a few of these at the same time, I get them for a lower price, and then I just pass that savings on to my customers. So I'll beat anybody's deal on a comparable vehicle. Why pay more elsewhere? Turn around here real quick and then I'll go do a quick walk around when I get back over by the dealership. There it is. Sounds great. I think that, this has 121,613 miles at the time of this recording. These vehicles that I get have been meticulously maintained and upkept since they were brand new. They're one owner vehicles. This one's rear wheel drive. And I'm gonna advertise it for a really low price compared to what other people want for a Dodge Charger with the 5.7 liter Hemi. This has a carpet kit, so it's got carpet instead of the rubber matted floors. Most of these come with the rubber matted floors, and when I get them, a lot of times they have a hard plastic back seat. Everybody moves out of your way in the fast lane on the freeway, and nobody pulls out in front of you when you're driving one of these for some reason. Imagine that. So let's get out real quick and do a quick little walk around. It's also got the auto stick. You can manually shift your gears. You push that little button and then you can manually downshift and upshift if you wanted to keep it in a gear ratio longer or whatever. So there it is, black and silver two-tone. It's got 18-inch wheel covers over the black steel cop rims. So there it is. You go to interceptorking.com for current inventory. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Most amount of vehicle for least amount of money guaranteed. This car is sharp. Why pay more elsewhere? The other car dealership guys, they hate me. I love these cars. Only get the vehicles I like, and I turn down more vehicles than I don't. Yeah, you're an idiot with your stupid exhaust. Oh, somebody's doing a video. Let's act like a fool. Just get back on the freeway and haul ass around them. Nah, I won't do it. But anyways, there it is. Let's have a key inside. Beautiful car. I love it. All right, you guys have a great day. Go to interceptorking.com for current inventory. Bye.